everyone, it's Michelle from Rizzy. So today we're going to make a super cute fishbowl pop-up. So anyway, let's dive right in.
First thing first, make sure you've already cut your paper according to the machine you're using. Here, we're using about 4 different color. An off-white color with greens in different shades. Light, medium, and dark. Plus, some paper for the fish. Oh, and don't forget to prep the acetate sheets too. One in blue and one in clear. Make sure you prepare everything neatly as well. We're going to sandwich two sheets of paper with acetate in the middle, kind of like a paper sandwich. The acetate goes right between the two papers. Use liquid glue to stick them together, because regular glue usually doesn't hold well on acetate. Oh, before you start gluing, move the other pieces out of the way so they don't get messy. Spread the glue evenly all the way the corners so you don't get any waves or gaps. But don't use too much or the paper will get stiff. Once you're happy with it, press the acetate in place. Give it a gentle press for a few seconds and let it set. Then stick on the other sheet to close up the sandwich. Same steps, spread the glue neatly, press it down and let it set. Next up is the second layer. Here we have some scoring. That's just so you can fold it more easily and get a stronger, cleaner finish. Make sure you fold it inward, not outward. And if you're not too sure yet, feel free to fold it again to reinforce it. For this one, we will use blue acetate to give that watery effect. The process is exactly the same as before. Sandwich it between two sheets, spread the glue carefully, and don't let it out everywhere. Press down the acetate. Add the glue to stick the other paper. And don't forget to check if every corner sticks properly. Moving on to the third layer, which is the second green sheet. This is where the fun part begins, because it will help create the pop-up effect later. Same technique here. Paper, glue, stick the acetate, and another paper. making sure everything lines up neatly so you don't go over the edges. Now for the front layer, which uses the darkest green shade. Fold the scoring in the beginning. This one will go with clear acetate again, just like the first layer, so things look nice and clear from the front. Just glue it down carefully and pay extra attention to every single corner, so it all lines up perfectly. Alright, let's move on to the fish. Since there's no acetate here, you can use regular paper glue. It will stick just fine. But always double check that the edges of the paper are clean from the glue, as it can make the whole thing look messy. Once you're done, you can start stacking all the layers one by one. For example, stick layer 2 onto layer 1. Adjust the position so it fits nicely. Then layer 3 onto layer 2. and so on. The fish itself goes on the third layer's acetate. Finally, finish it up with the darkest layer in front, so the fish pops against the background and doesn't get lost in darker colors behind it. Once everything's done, flip it over, and to use it, you just press up, pull down, and press again and pull again, just like that, nice and smooth.
There you go, your fishy little masterpiece. Thanks for hanging out. See you next time.
Tracy Craig.